Hey, today I want to talk to you about a really cool new feature in Squarespace, and that is saved sections. It means that you can save a little more time, have a lot more consistency. Your team can go in and build and reuse sections, things that you use maybe in sales pages or opt-ins quite a lot, things that maybe are seasonal in your business, um, or even better, backups of sections once that your designers created. They can save them all for you, and then you can use them again in other places, or if you've messed something up, or anything. There's lots and lots of ways to use them. So, without further ado, let's show them to you. Okay, so let's dig in and take a look. Here we are in my new website. I've totally overhauled most of my main pages in the last couple weeks, and I've used this feature fairly heavily. So you can see I've used some of the newer Squarespace features that just didn't exist when I built my site last, like Fluid Engine, list sections, backgrounds and rounded corners. I've really leaned into the flexibility that the new Squarespace is done. But I want to show you this too. So here, if you go to add a section, you will see your saved sections, and you can see ones that I've saved throughout my web design process because I reuse them in some way, shape, or form. So for example, this testimonial slider, I've reused it in several places on my site. Or maybe as I combined my two services pages, I needed these step-by-steps that I offer for my two services in website design and service system design. So I've also got my team section that I moved from one place to another on my site. So for example, I can just add this in, and you can see it's got a text block all set up that I've already done. It's already ready to go. I'm gonna undo that. The other thing I can do is save as any section that I want. So this is the little about section on my homepage, and I can save that. And then I can hit done and then go to any other page of my site. I will use my sandbox that I use on most of these videos. You can see lots of stuff from my previous videos. Let's go ahead and remove that. And I can add a section, and I can go to my save sections, and there that is. And then all I need to do to use it again is tweak little bits. I can edit the copy. I can swap out the photo. I can make sure the button is linked to the right thing, and I don't have to redesign and redesign and redesign consistent sections. So it saves a little time and creates a really consistent look and feel across your website. It also means that if you have a team and you have, say, an assistant helping you out with something, they can do things so quickly across your business. And like I said, if you have a seasonal offers, if you have launches that you do throughout the year, this is really going to help to have those bits and pieces saved that you use over and over again, but maybe don't have on your site all the time. I hope this really, really has opened your eyes to this time saving feature. And if you have any questions, drop them in the